Grandma quilting her knee-jerk sweater, Pam Bondi gets crazy cats throwing balls of yarn at a Fox News, wiping New York City pigeon poop off the studio floor. Christy Nome singing Wayne Newton songs in public shower stalls. Get a grip, get a grip. Who's serious about any of this manifesto cult? Oh, the evangelicals love it when Caroline Levitt passes the basket to each church along the pews. The sound of Maga, sound of insanity, the sounds of discourse from the ICE community, the sounds of Maga, the deliriums of false narratives based on lies. It's really something to behold, like a Beethoven symphony when you hear the sounds of Maga. Please read a dictionary spell, check your entire vocabulary. It's obscene to keep arguing like children on national TV. Stop rolling those eyes into the back of your heads. Just like Michael Jackson, we are the world hungry again for the same facts they revealed 45 years ago. Get a life, get a grip, get a CD player, make a disc of the sound